What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you real quick how to replace your side markers with sequential smoked side markers that I got off Amazon. I'll leave a link down below. You guys can check yours out too. It's a fairly simple process. All you need is maybe a small flathead screwdriver or a pry tool and some electric grease. So you simply just obviously get to your side marker from the back like this. That's the back of the car. That's the front, back. So you simply just push it in there and you push and then pull out. It's literally that simple. Once you pull it out, obviously that's your housing, and then you'll have your light. Simply just take your light out. Let me put you down real quick. Simply just pull the light out, which will then leave you with just the housing. Not the housing, the connector. Take your electric grease, being that this will no longer be in effect for corrosion. Put a little bit of grease in there. Don't gotta go too crazy. Then you simply just take it, plug it in. Just gonna do one hand, hold on. There we go. And then once you have that plugged in, simply just push it in like regular housing. Pull the tape off. Now, crucial part, there are tabs on here. This would go in first. So you can see the teeth marks on the old one. That would go in first like that, and then you would pop it in the back. But before I do that, I'm going to confirm that it is the right side. Because like I mentioned, they are sequential, so they don't just blink. They, I don't know how to explain it, but they don't just blink like a regular blinker. They will make like a line. Perfect. Look at that. Awesome. And then obviously it's the same on the other side. And that's pretty much it. Obviously just confirm it before you pop it all the way in. It may or may not be size specific, I'm not sure. But just to be on the safe side so you don't damage anything when removing and installing it. So you simply just, like I said, just put those teeth in there first, like that. And then right here, you simply just push it right in. Boom, just like that. Nice snug fit. That's the new one. Don't mind my car, it's extremely dirty. And that's the other side. Obviously the smoked out ones look a lot better. Other than that, it's a fairly simple job. It takes about, I don't know, 5 minutes, so long as you have the right tools and everything goes easy. Other than that, if you have any questions, just leave a comment down below and I'll get to them as soon as I can. And besides that, if you like what you saw, like the video, subscribe to see more, as more videos will come out as the days go on and I find new projects for this. Thanks again for sticking around.